Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're doing another unboxing video. Today, it is my Boxycharm Base Box. There's a story behind this box. Anyway, before we get into it, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is niminies.com. Links in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. If you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like the story I'm about to tell you about where this box has been, go ahead and hit that thumbs up as you're listening to the story. If you have not yet done so, I would really appreciate if you would hit the subscribe button. I am planning on a pretty big giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, which I am hopefully going to hit soon. So if you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. And if you have any comments while you're watching, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below. Now let's go ahead and get into my Boxycharm Base Box. It is torn a little bit on the side. Doesn't look as beat up as I expected it to be honest with you. Let's go ahead and open it, and then I will tell you the story of what happened to this box this month. So that is what it looks like when you first open it up. There is a card, and then that is what it looks like. So this box this month was shipped via FedEx. Sometimes it goes FedEx, sometimes it goes UPS, I think. DHL, I don't know. Whatever, it goes through a carrier. So it went through FedEx this month, and I got my shipping confirmation 10 days ago, 11 days ago, and it said it was going to ship. And the very next day, I went to look to see where it was, and it was in Pennsylvania. The very first site that it was identified was in Pennsylvania, which I live in Pennsylvania if you were not aware. So it was at site 1 in Pennsylvania. Stay with me here. So it went from site 1 in Pennsylvania to site 2 in Pennsylvania to site 3 in Pennsylvania. I am close to site number 3. So it got through all 3 sites. It was a couple of days as it got through these 3 sites. It sat at site number 3 for a day or so, and then it said transferring to USPS. And then the next day it said keeping within FedEx. So it went from site 3 back to site 2 back to site 1. And I'm like, okay, this is weird. Then it went back to site 2. Then it went back to site 3. So it went 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. And then it sat in site 3 for a couple of days, like 2 days. And then it finally said transferring to USPS. And then like 2 days later, it finally arrived. So I don't know why my little box here decided to go all over the state of Pennsylvania multiple times before coming to me, but it did. Also, let's go ahead and get into the products. I'm not super excited about this box. Some people got the Hourglass highlighting stick, which I would have been so excited to get. I know that you can customize this box on a certain day. I don't remember what day it is for June. It might have already passed. But you can customize this box as long as you get there at like noon on that day. I got there for the May box at 12:30. The Hourglass stick was already gone. By the way, I also have variation number 62. I don't know if it'll focus enough to show that to you, but I promise it says 62 on the bottom of the card there. So, the theme for May, my camera takes a minute to focus, is Boxycharm Mother Nature, packed with loves and love. And there are 5 items in here. If you were not aware, this box, I believe, is $25 a month. I pay for it annually. This specifically, the base box, I pay for annually. So I just pay for it once a year, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and go into the items. I'm not super thrilled. I did add up the value of this box. I think it was like $135 or something like that. But let's go ahead and get into the products. So this is the big ticket item in my box this month. This is from LMS, and it's covered in like purple, I guess, based on the other items that are in here. I guess it's purple. This is the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, Skin Smoothing Pads. There's face pads in here. So let's see what the card says, see if it gives a little bit more information about it. I know LMS is a higher end skincare brand, and the value of this product is $59. So this is the LMS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Dynamic resurfacing facial pads are powered by LMS's patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. So I don't know how to use this, when to use this. It's an exfoliator. There you go. All right, moving on. I got this item right here, which I'm not terribly upset to get this, except that I have, one second, two bottles of micellar water. This one I use when I just have to do some detailed work because it's got a tiny little spout at the top, and I use it with like Q-tips. This one, this is from Garnier Skin Active. It's micellar cleansing water. This is from Bioderma. I got this big bottle like 2 years ago, and I'm still using it, but I do like it. So, if you didn't guess, this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. So that is what that little bottle, or big bottle, it's actually a fairly large bottle, looks like right there. So this is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. The ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. The MSRP on this is $18. So I'm curious. I mean, I like my Bioderma. Don't get me wrong. I really much enjoy that. And I like this Garnier one as well. So it's pretty. I mean, it's micellar water. Useful, but not like, wow. I'm okay. I swear I'm okay. All right. I had a energy drink this morning. It is right now 7:40 in the evening. I had an energy drink, and it took me about 2 hours to drink the energy drink, from about 9 to about 11, but I swear I'm still having side effects from that. I haven't had an energy drink in a while. Anyway, this is the Trestique Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon in porcelain. However, porcelain looks pretty dark as far as the little sticker goes, but that is what that looks like. And I will read to you from the card what it says about this product and how you use it in just a moment. I am going to pull it out of the box as well so that we can take a look at the product. So this is the Trestique Cover and Conceal Crayon. Finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a whole new level. MSRP is $24. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the back of my skin, and I'm afraid it's too dark. So that's that. And then on this side, it actually has a little sponge that you can blend it with. I'm not going to do that right now, but I don't know if you guys can see. I swatched it right there in my hand. Let's see how it blends. It blends out okay, but it's not super full coverage. I'm gonna be honest. It's not super full coverage. So, all right. Actually, it kind of blended right away. So I've got freckles on the back of my hand. You would figure that it would cover the freckles if it was full coverage. And it kind of blends away, to be honest. Actually, let me use some of the micellar water to try to clean it off and see how that works. Seems to work pretty well. I mean, I don't know. It's micellar water. You know what I mean? It's a good product to have around. I'm not knocking it, but it's just one of those things where it's not exciting. You know what I mean? Anyway. All right. I'm more excited about the micellar water than I am about the concealer stick right now, to be honest with you. All right. And then there's 2 more items in this box. I like the brands. I'm going to say that right now. I like the brands. So the first one here is from Dose of Colors. It is the Lip It Up Satin Lipstick in the color Mocha. I think I might have this color. Hold on one second. I might have this color. All right, believe it or not, I actually do have this color. I don't have a whole lot of Dose of Colors lipsticks like this, but I have this one. And it's a pretty color. I mean, I do enjoy this color actually a lot. That is the shade of it. That's the packaging. But it is the, let me double check. Pretty sure it's the same thing. Yes, it is the same, literally the identical product. So this is going to go into my giveaway drawer and one of you guys will get it. But it's a pretty shade. I mean, you figure it's called mocha. I would figure it's a brown, and it is a brown tint, but it's not like a brown brown, if that makes sense. It's a mauve brown. Oh, that took that right off. The micellar water took that right off. So that's actually pretty good micellar water. Yeah. All right, the Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. The satin lipstick is a richly pigmented formula in between a matte and creamy finish. Its unique shape allows for smooth and precise application. And I do, like I said, I do like them. I have this color, and then I have like a Mickey Mouse. They did a Mickey Mouse brand. I think those are the only two that I have of that, but they're nice. And then the last item is another lip product. That's why I'm a little bit disappointed. It's like, why did I get two lip products? Like a lipstick and a lip gloss. That doesn't make sense to me. I know I don't have this though, so this is new to me. This is from Jouer. It's the High Pigment Lip Gloss with coconut oil, and it's in the shade Broadway. Let's see what shade that looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. That's different. The packaging is different. All right. What is going on with that packaging? I'm going to see if it'll focus enough to show you what I'm talking about as far as the packaging goes. So there's the front of it. And then on the side, there's like a little indentation here. I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up. But there's like an indentation, almost like these fit together or something. And it actually sticks out from the lid. So that's really weird. I don't know why. I don't know why it does that. Anybody know? I don't know. I'm going to put this on because I don't have any lip product on. I was expecting to put a lipstick on and then the lip gloss on top of the lipstick, but I already know that I like it. I already have this, and it lasted through the declutter. So, all right, this is the Jouer Cosmetics High Pigment Lip Gloss. This non-sticky, full coverage gloss moisturizes lips using jojoba seed oil and provides a creamy, full coverage pearl finish that glides on smoothly. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Like I said, I'm just kind of disappointed that I got two lip products in the box. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below if I'm just being stupid. I don't know. Now see, that looks mocha, right? I like the shade. Let me blot just a little bit because I got a little bit too much on my upper lip. I actually really like that shade a lot, actually. I don't think it's a summer shade. That's definitely not a summer shade, but it's pretty. And what shade was it called? Broadway. So I'm still confused as to why the packaging looks the way it does. All right, let's recap what I got in my box. I got the Jouer lip gloss. I got the Dose of Colors lipstick, which is coming to a giveaway soon. The Elemis facial pads. The micellar water, which is pretty good actually, and then the concealer stick. So yeah, the price is there. It's 100, and like I said, I think it's 135. I added it up a couple of hours ago when my box first got here. I paid, I think, $25 for it. Personally, I don't think for me this was worth $25. And I'll tell you why. I already have plenty of micellar water, although that micellar water was good. I mean, it literally cleaned the back of my hand off right away, no problems. So this is a good product. I will keep it. Obviously, I already used it. So I will keep it, and it's definitely something that I will use over time. I like the lipstick, but I already have this shade. They didn't know that. That's fine. The lip gloss is pretty. I think the lip gloss is actually really pretty. The concealer, you know, Trestique and I want to love Trestique. I really do. They have lipsticks with like balms on one end and lipstick on the other. They've got these really cool magnetic lids. I am just not... I have not fallen in love with any Trestique products. Let's leave it like that. And then there's the resurfacing facial pads, which... What do you think of my Boxycharm Base Box this month? I'm not thrilled with it. In fact, when I first opened it up, I was really, really disappointed. In fact, the only product that I'm really probably most excited about is the lip gloss. I was excited about the lipstick, but I was disappointed to get 2 lip products in the box. I don't know why they would send 2 lip products in the box. That makes absolutely no sense to me at all. Like, at all. It's kind of like they just threw whatever was left in the box. Like, and this is variation 62. Honestly, I have no idea why they bother to do so many variations. Like, it makes no sense at all. Like, why? I mean, I know they probably have thousands upon thousands of subscribers that get this every single month, but why do you need that many variations? I mean, even if you did like 20 variations, like, I don't know why you need that. I don't know why you need 62 variations. I'm speaking as someone who doesn't do a beauty box, or doesn't curate a beauty box. That's fine. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, again, I would super appreciate a subscribe if you were interested in doing that, but I would really appreciate it. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I do hope you enjoy this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!